Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. That bad been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a semi. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets.
Hey man, we started the gate with it. Car crew, you know what I'm saying? I ain't get a properly. I gotta chill. My car ain't even worn all the way up yet. It's over 150, but still. What good, car crew, man? As y'all can see, we straight into it, man. I'll give y'all a little POV with my partner, man. He got a scat, you know what I'm saying? Fast scat. That bit ain't regular. It's regular, but it don't drive regular. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know what he did to that truck. Y'all hear him patting up there, man. But yeah, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, you feel me? But we finna get litty. We finna get litty, man. Finna get litty real quick, car crew. You know what I'm saying? This is the day before Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Did this get dropped on Thanksgiving or not? But just happy Thanksgiving, you know what I'm saying? Look at you, bro. Well, yeah, man, y'all see what we got going, man. We're finna get on the highway with it. Y'all finna get some highway POV footage. Y'all ain't, I don't usually get, ooh, shit. Shit. Boy, 3 of them niggas right there. I ain't even mean to curse. I don't even know if they're gonna stay in there, but boy, did y'all see that? Boy, it was 3 of them niggas. 312. Bro, that car is driving so slow in front of Sean, bro. We got a Stang in the back. I see Sean in that bit tweaking. He mad because they driving slow. Oh, boy. But yeah, man, car crew, bro, 12 was, boy. Them boys was, cause my radar was going up to I like, man, I know they sing, they do that sometimes. They was sitting right there, cuz. Car girl was sitting right there, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. But yeah, man, like I was saying, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Turn on post notification bells, man, so you won't miss another banger from me. But we cutting up like that. Cutting up like that. Yeah, man, fresh out with it. Fresh out with it, man. Y'all can see we on the highway. We got a little traffic. I'm trying to. We got a little traffic, man. Trying to see what we gonna do. Car crew. Hopefully y'all can hear, man. I ain't got the window down too low. It just cracked. But y'all know how the highway is. I'm gonna just leave the back one. So y'all can hear the exhaust at least. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, got my partner there, man, in that scat. In that scat thing, you know what I'm saying? He trying to get wicked. Scared the hell out of them folks. Oh, I scared the hell out of them. I had to, bro. They just standing there looking. man, I ain't really talking like that. My bad. I'm just trying to see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? All that radar going crazy. You know what I'm saying? I know where I'm at. We got a Mustang over there. We'll get on this ass, you on this side. But yeah, car crew, man, I just hit y'all with this quick POV, man. Highway POV had some little cutting up. We're trying to see what's going on, man. It's a little trappy right now, but hey, we still rolling. We're still rolling. I'm in custom mode, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Custom mode, basically street mode. You know what I'm saying? Transmission is street. So it ain't really nothing too special. It's just I can be able to downshift, you know what I'm saying? Still save a little gas, just a little bit. Just a little bit of gas, car crew. Well, yeah, car crew, man. Comment down below, man, what other video y'all would like to see, man. Like, just let me know. Like, y'all keep letting me know. I be reading the comments, bro. Y'all know I read all the comments, like literally all of them, even the ones that don't make sense or the ones that be spam. I read all the comments. You know what I'm saying? Especially because I ain't, you know what I'm saying? Not that many of us yet, so I can read all the comments. Like this in a minute. I ain't rode Olivia like this in a minute. You gotta slow down. You gotta slow down with them paddle shifters, man. You gotta slow down with them paddle shifters, you know what I'm saying? Car crew, turn me up, top speeds, turn me up. We in Mexico with it. I don't know where the traffic come from. Come on, oh, we gotta slow down. Quick little cut up session on the highway, man. I ain't did that in a minute, man. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this with me and my partner, you know what I'm saying, or anybody else, man. I got a couple Mopar guys, but I gotta find the guys that gonna come out and do this with me, you know what I'm saying. Someone just like to cut up, someone don't understand the grind, man. Someone don't understand the grind I'm on. But hey, car crew, nevertheless, you know what I'm saying. I don't know why my camera look like that, but nevertheless, car crew, man, we getting active, we getting lit, man. My car is junky, so I'm not finna show the other side. I don't know how I got junky so fast. I threw like a jacket and some other stuff in. But yeah, car crew, man, like I was saying, man, let me know what kind of video y'all would like to see, man. But like, I know y'all like to see the POV, the cut up POV. If y'all want to see more sliding every turn or something like along those lines, man, y'all comment down below right now. Let me know, man. Get this video to 100 likes. Get the video to 100 likes, car crew. 100, bro. Like, that's not a lot, bro. Compared to how many people be watching the video. 100, like, even if you new, hit the like button, man. If you ain't gonna subscribe this time, you gotta keep watching to subscribe. At least like the video if you ain't gonna subscribe yet. Then when you subscribe, still like the video, you know what I'm saying? Like, show your boy some support, man. We gotta get to 10K. When I get to 10K, then that way y'all gonna put a little respect. Put a little respect on my name, just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can put a little respect on there, you know what I'm saying? Then y'all kind of, you know, show a little more support. But, you know what I'm saying? I have to be talking car crew, but yeah, man, y'all hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. But yeah, we just cruising right now. I ain't really got too much to say, man. Just literally, bro, this light was just off the dome, man. He was like, he just took off on me, bro. Like, if I could have recorded from when we started in the parking lot, like, I ain't even get a chance to crank, like, you know what I'm saying? I had a remote start on. I ain't hit the button yet. I ain't do nothing. I had to change my shoes, all that, get right, get the camera rolling. He just gone. Then want to sit at the end of the road with the flashes on waiting on me. That's crazy. But hey, man, I appreciate my boy, man, for turning up with me. You know what I'm saying? It's an opportunity. I try to make opportunities every time, Car Crew. You know what I'm saying? I'm on the grind, Car Crew. On the road to 10K, man. We're gonna hit 10K this year, man. It's ain't wicked right now because it's in November. You know what I'm saying? And we almost at 8K. You know what I'm saying? We almost at 8K, Car Crew. I want to be at 9K before the end of November, bro. I want to be at 9K, Car Crew. I will be at 9K. My bad, not 9K. I'm tripping. 8K. I'm gonna be at 8K, Car Crew, by the end of November. Now I ain't gonna lie, that's a high goal too, 9K. Yeah, but I have to be like, bro, that literally have to be like a miracle. You know what I'm saying? Or another banger video to just jump and drop like how the other one did. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, 8K before the end of November, before the end of the month, man, 8K, man. Ooh. That ain't my bridge. Sorry about that sign, Car Crew. As y'all can see, man, I pulled up to a Bass Pro Shop. My first time coming to this one. I've been to Bass Pro Shop before, but I never been to this one. So y'all can see. As y'all can see, but yeah, man. The cut up session. What you looking at, guy? The cut up session is over. But right now. They may want to come to Bad Pro Shop. I'm probably gonna slide though. I'm ready to go to the crib. Hey man. Hey man, hell. Hey, you ain't turned, what? Bro, listen. My radar was going off, and I recall like, I feel like them niggas gonna be sitting right there. I ain't know be 3 of they had though. Bro, I tried to get on the interstate go, bro. Oh, y'all see your ass sucking out on that car in front of you? They people like this. They been saying what the yeah, they did it on purpose, cuz, on me. I thought they were coming, cause my shit was still going on. I thought they were coming too. But you ain't do nothing though. Now if you would have slid that bitch, it been over with. You wanna know what's crazy? I thought about it, bro. Hey, Jordan know if you would. If you would have slid that bit, I was going. I'm out of there. I'm out of that bit. But yeah, Cari, I had to cut the camera right quick. I was talking, but that's gonna pretty much be a wrap, man, for this video. I'm gonna give these boys one last little pull, man, and the whip. I'm gonna give you boys a little pull. You wanna hear it? yeah, Cari crew, man. I'm gonna definitely have to edit this video. I usually try to make a one-shot POV, especially when I know they ain't gonna be that long. Well, they're not gonna be that long, but yeah. Anyway, like I said on the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, you know what I'm saying? And for all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep them in the mix, you know what I'm saying? Tell them thank you every day, man. You wake up, you know what I'm saying? You live to see another day, you know what I'm saying? That's a blessing in itself. Yeah, Cari crew. That's gonna be a wrap. I'm gonna give y'all this little pull right here. Ain't gonna be no real pull. We're just gonna hit the gas. And I'm gone.